What if your money could work for you, even when you're not working? Imagine this, you're at the beach sipping on an iced coffee, and while you're soaking in the sun, your bank account just grew. Not by luck, not by lottery, but because you've built income streams that work 24/7, whether you're awake or asleep. That's the magic of passive income. And no, it's not just for millionaires. It's for anyone willing to start smart and stick with it. In this video, we're breaking down 7 passive income ideas that actually work in 2025. These are proven methods that thousands of everyday people are using to earn extra money or even replace their full-time jobs. Let's get into it. First of all, dividend-paying stocks. When you invest in certain companies, especially big, stable ones, they reward you by paying a portion of their profits. This is called a dividend, and you don't have to do anything but own the stock to get it. For example, companies like Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, and Procter & Gamble have been paying dividends for decades. You can buy shares, hold them, and collect payments every quarter. Platforms like Robinhood, Fidelity, or Charles Schwab let you start investing with as little as $5. Reinvest those dividends, and over time, you'll build a serious income stream. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. But if you're in it for the long haul, dividend stocks are a reliable and hands-off way to earn money. Second one is real estate crowdfunding. Think real estate is only for rich people? Think again. The answer is big no. Through it, you can now invest in income-generating properties, like apartment buildings or commercial centers with as little as $10 to $100. Websites like Fundrise, Arrived, and Realty Mogul allow you to pool your money with other investors. You can earn passive income from rent payments and appreciation. You're not managing tenants. You're not fixing toilets. You're just sitting back and earning returns, often between 5% and 12% annually, depending on the platform and the market. It's a great way to get into real estate without owning a single property yourself. The third one is digital products. If you're good at something, maybe designing templates, writing ebooks, building online courses, or creating music loops, you can turn your skills into digital products that sell over and over again. Let's say you create a budgeting spreadsheet and sell it on Etsy for $10. If 100 people buy it, that's $1,000 in passive income from just one product. People also sell digital planners, resume templates, fitness guides, and even Notion dashboards. The best part is you only need to make it once. Upload it to platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Payhip, and let the sales roll in. It takes some effort up front, but once it's live, it can generate income for months or even years. Fourth is YouTube automation. Earn without showing your face. Yes, YouTube is still a goldmine, but not everyone wants to be on camera. That's where YouTube automation comes in. You can create channels where you don't even appear on screen. Think about explainer videos or storytelling channels. You can hire freelancers to write scripts, do voiceovers, and edit videos. Once your videos get views, YouTube pays you through ad revenue. If your video gets 100,000 views, you could earn anywhere from $300 to $2,000, depending on your niche and viewers. It might take a few months to grow, but once your channel is monetized, those videos keep earning day and night. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are perfect for outsourcing the work while you collect the rewards. Number 5 is affiliate marketing. You've probably clicked on a product link from a YouTuber or blogger before. That's affiliate marketing. And it's one of the most beginner-friendly passive income ideas out there. Here's how it works. You sign up for programs like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or Impact. Grab your unique affiliate links and then recommend products on your blog, YouTube channel, social media, or even email newsletter. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. So simple. Let's say you're into tech and you recommend a laptop through your affiliate link. If it sells, you get a cut. Sometimes 3%, sometimes 10%. And once your content is out there, it keeps generating clicks and income with zero extra work. Sixth way is high-yield savings or CDs. Not every passive income idea needs to be flashy. Sometimes simple is best. With high-yield savings accounts or certificates of deposit, you can earn steady interest on your money. without risking a dime in the stock market. In 2025, some online banks like Ally, SoFi, and Capital One are offering over 4% APY on savings accounts. CDs can go even higher, sometimes over 5%. Let's say you park $10,000 in a 12-month CD with 5% interest. That's $500 in completely passive income in 1 year, just for keeping your money safe. It won't make you rich, but it's guaranteed income, and a smart place to park your emergency fund or extra cash. Print on demand, sell t-shirts, mugs, and more, without inventory. Last but not least, print on demand. This is where you design cool graphics or slogans for t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, tote bags, whatever you like. Then you upload your designs to platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, or Printful. When someone places an order, the platform prints the item, ships it, and handles customer service. You get paid. You can even connect your print-on-demand store to Etsy or Shopify and build a real brand. If you're creative or can hire a designer for cheap, this is a great way to earn money with no upfront inventory and no hassle. So there you have it. 7 passive income ideas that actually work in 2025. Let's quickly recap. Number 1, dividend stocks. Earn by holding shares. Number 2, real estate crowdfunding. Invest without owning property. Number 3, digital products. Create once, sell forever. Number 4, YouTube automation. Build channels without showing your face. Number 5, affiliate marketing. Promote and earn commissions. Number 6, high-yield savings or CDs. Grow your cash safely. Number 7, print on demand. Sell products without inventory. Here's the truth, none of these are magic buttons. They take effort, especially in the beginning. But if you stay consistent, these ideas can turn into real income streams that give you freedom, flexibility, and peace of mind. Which one are you going to try first? Drop a comment below and let us know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more videos on smart money and future trends. Thanks for watching, and always remember, your financial freedom starts with one smart step.